How to fix Spotify is currently set to offline. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Spotify is currently set to offline issues. So if you are trying to play music on Spotify but keep seeing this error, well, don't worry. I'll walk you through the steps to fix it. So now without further ado, let's get started. So let's start with the step 1, that is to check your internet connection. So simply go back to your home screen and open settings on your phone. And once you have opened the settings, simply tap on Wi-Fi and ensure that you are connected with a stable network. But if you're not connected with a stable Wi-Fi, you can turn on mobile data instead of that. And with that, let's move forward to the step 2, that is to clear Spotify cache. Now simply go back to the settings and from here simply scroll down and tap on apps. Next tap on manage apps. Now here in the new section simply tap on the search bar and search for Spotify. And once you search for it, simply tap on Spotify. Now once you are inside the app settings, simply tap on the option labeled clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. And from the pop-up menu, simply tap on clear cache. Now confirm it by selecting OK. And with that, let's move forward to the step 3, that is to update Spotify app. So simply open Play Store, and once you have opened it, simply search for Spotify and check if there is any update available. If there is, just tap on update to install the latest version. And with that, let's move forward to the final step, that is to reset mobile. So if the problem still isn't fixed, there may be a network issue or some bugs and glitches on the phone. So to refresh that, simply reset the phone, and once you have reset it, just open the Spotify again, and now your issue should be fixed. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.